Hey there, I'll be showing you 10 best AI website builders in 2024. Today, we are diving into the world of AI website builders, your guide to the top 10 platforms revolutionizing web development. Whether you are a small business owner or an individual aiming for a robust online presence, these builders, armed with cutting-edge AI technology, promise to transform your vision into a professional, fully functional website with ease. We will explore their features, from intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces to seamless content creation, robust SEO optimization, and in-depth visitor analysis. It is not just about creating a website, it is about crafting an online presence optimized for success. Join us on this journey into the future of web development. Hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let us get started. First on our list is 10web, a WordPress-based website platform forefront of AI-driven website creation and management. With cutting-edge AI technologies, 10web empowers website owners to swiftly design or replicate any website using features like AI Builder, AI Assistant, Bodyboss hosting, and one-click migration. The platform stands out with its Elementor-based editor, providing users with a seamless drag-and-drop interface for tailoring layouts, designs, and page elements for their preferences. On the positive side, 10web shines in creating or replicating websites within minutes, offering an Elementor-based editor for flexible customization, an AI assistant, and pre-designed templates for efficient time management. The platform ensures user-friendly experiences with automated real-time backups, robust security features, performance optimization options, and a transparent fee structure. However, 10web does come with a set of limitations, including a constrained range of payment methods and server storage traffic, the absence of built-in e-commerce functionality, and the lack of 24/7 customer support, along with a learning curve for users. Next up on our list is Durable, an AI website builder specifically crafted for entrepreneurs seeking a swift and uncomplicated way to establish a professional online presence. Durable's unique approach involves users answering just two questions, leading to the generation of a tailored website template featuring elements like contact forms and social media buttons, all fully customizable. What sets Durable apart is its incorporation of AI content generator tools, expediting the website development process, ideal for both businesses and e-commerce ventures. Durable goes beyond basic website creation by providing analytics, CRM functionalities, and invoicing features. Subscribers also gains access to free tools like an AI ad writer and business name generator. On the positive side, Durable excels in its quick and user-friendly website setup process, offering time-saving AI-generated features such as a business name generator and image picker. The platform extends its utility with additional business-related tools and provides a thoughtful free trial period for users to explore its capabilities before committing. The onboarding process for new users is well designed, guiding them seamlessly through the platform's features. However, it is important to note some limitations. Durable is primarily tailored for creating business and e-commerce websites, limiting its scope. The quality of AI-generated features may not match that of other website builders, and customer support is available solely through email or live chat during working hours. Additionally, customization options beyond the AI-generated features and templates are somewhat restricted. Our third contender on the list is Teleport HQ, AI-powered website and UI builder that caters to the needs of web designers and developers seeking a fast and precise way to construct websites and components. Leveraging code generated by OpenAI, Teleport HQ is engineered for flexibility and customization, offering a suite of AI tools including ChatGPT and Vision API. With Teleport HQ, users can swiftly create entire websites or specific components using pre-made templates while retaining the option to add custom HTML and CSS code, allowing for extensive customization. The platform's collaborative edge shines through its website editor, facilitating simultaneous work by multiple users on the same project, making it an ideal solution for team projects. On the positive side, Teleport HQ stands out for its extensive customization options, providing the ability to incorporate custom HTML and CSS code. The platform offers an unlimited free plan that includes a free domain name and hosting service, along with advanced SEO tools, static website templates, project sharing tools, live preview, reusable components, and more. Notably, Teleport HQ's Vision API enables users to transform hand-drawn designs into fully functional wireframes in real time. However, it is crucial to consider potential drawbacks. Teleport HQ comes with a steep learning curve, making it more suitable for users with a specific skill set. Additionally, its specificity in front-end development may limit its applicability for back-end development or other types of web projects. The platform's cost-effectiveness for larger teams or businesses may be impacted by additional costs associated with enabling editing rights for project collaborators. The fourth contender on our list is B12, a specialized website builder targeting professional service providers. With its AI-powered platform, B12 facilitates a rapid website creation process, offering users industry and niche-specific jobs. What sets B12 apart is the assistance of a dedicated team of copywriting, design, and launch professionals who collaborate to customize and publish the site. The platform's website editor ensures quick and easy modifications, while features like e-commerce tools, search engine optimized designs, free hosting, unlimited bandwidth and storage, third-party integrations, and email marketing tools make it a comprehensive solution for drawing in customers, closing deals, and streamlining corporate processes. B12's pricing structure includes 3 premium plans, with the basic plan starting at $49 per month. Noteworthy advantages include the professional assistance provided by the platform's team, quick and user-friendly website editing capabilities, and unlimited email and chat support. However, it is important to consider potential drawbacks. B12's pricing may be on the higher side, especially with additional costs of professional assistance. Customer support is available only during working hours, and while the platform excels in design and layout drafting with AI tools, users must rely on third-party AI tools for other tasks. Additionally, for those looking to create an online store, integration with a third-party platform is necessary. Securing the fifth spot on our list is Hostinger Website Builder, an affordable and comprehensive solution for building professional websites. The platform offers a budget-friendly starting price of just $2+ per month and includes a free hosting plan, domain name, and email account, making it an enticing option for users looking for a cost-effective all-in-one solution. Managed seamlessly through the Hostinger dashboard, users can effortlessly make changes and oversee up to 100 websites using the intuitive drag-and-drop website builder. Hostinger Website Builder is particularly well-suited for those aiming to create an online store, boasting numerous e-commerce features like inventory management, discount offers, and shipping calculations. The platform goes a step farther by integrating AI-based tools such as an AI content writer, an AI logo maker, and AI heatmap analysis, providing users with automated content generation and insightful analysis of website elements' effectiveness. Security is a strong suit with unlimited SSL certificates and automatic backups included. However, it is important to consider potential drawbacks. Hostinger Website Builder lacks simultaneous editing capabilities for multiple users, which may pose a challenge for collaborative projects. Additionally, the platform does not support the creation of paywall or member-only pages, limiting its suitability for certain types of website. While there is no free trial or plan, users can explore the demo version before committing. However, the requirement to create an account and pay before using the website builder may be inconvenient for some users. Securing the sixth spot on our list is Wix ADI, a user-friendly web design tool that harnesses the power of AI to automatically craft personalized websites. With a straightforward process involving a few questions about their business or requirements, users can generate a draft of their website within minutes. Wix ADI offers a structured editor, drag-and-drop functionality, a library of stock images, and 13 apps and integrations, ensuring a seamless and efficient website creation experience. The platform goes a step farther with an automatic content import feature, allowing users to effortlessly transfer their existing website content to their new site. Tailored for freelancers and small to medium businesses, Wix ADI is a quick website creation platform that offers minor layout adjustments and in-depth customization through the Wix editor. with plans starting at an affordable $4.50 per month. Noteworthy advantages include its user-friendly setup, diverse plan options for personal use, enterprise, and freelancing, and the ability to enhance websites with additional functionalities through Wix apps, such as live chat, reservation features, or member registration. However, it is essential to consider potential drawbacks. While Wix ADI is easy to use, its customization options are somewhat limited. Websites created with the free plan may display ads and have a Wix-branded domain, limiting the user's ability to use a custom domain name. Additionally, for those requiring complex websites with advanced features, Wix ADI may not be the most suitable choice. Our seventh contender, Bookmark's AI Web Design Assistant or AIDA, stands out with its use of patented machine learning algorithms to craft and optimize websites. AIDA goes beyond standard website builders by providing users with data-driven recommendations, enabling a focus on specific business objectives such as appointment generation, increased e-commerce page views, and enhanced phone call engagement. The tool boasts numerous advantages, including the optimization of website design through machine learning, making it an ideal choice for those aiming to create feature-packed blogs or robust e-commerce sites. AIDA also offers a variety of AI tools and seamless integration with third-party online stores like Facebook, Instagram, Google Shopping, and eBay, simplifying the process of selling products online. With features like multi-user collaboration and customizable permissions, users can effectively manage their websites. However, it is essential to consider potential drawbacks, including the restriction of online store functionality to the business plan, priced at $24.99 per month, which might be on the higher side for those focused on selling products. Additionally, certain customization options within AIDA may require coding expertise, posing a challenge for users without coding experience. Lastly, the limitation of creating only 3 email addresses per account may not suffice for some businesses or individuals with more extensive communication needs. Securing the 8th spot on our list is GetResponse. Primarily known as an email marketing platform but standing out with a free AI website builder, making it a compelling choice for businesses seeking comprehensive marketing features. With capabilities like custom marketing, funnels, and customer segmentation, GetResponse aims to boost website conversion rates or conversion rates. The AI website builder streamlines the website creation process, allowing users to automatically generate a site by answering questions or choosing from existing templates. Later, the drag-and-drop editor enables easy customization, page additions, and one-click publishing. GetResponse goes beyond website creation by offering AI tools such as a design wizard, product recommender, and subject line generator, enhancing both website personalization and email marketing strategies. Starting at $19 per month, pricing plans include 5 GB bandwidth, email marketing, and custom domain connection, with free options available. Noteworthy advantages include comprehensive marketing features, abundant learning resources such as guides, webinars, and a blog, and the benefit of unlimited website pages. The platform remains reliable and up-to-date with frequent updates, ensuring users have access to the latest features. However, it is crucial to consider potential drawbacks, including the absence of a domain name in the offering, quote-based pricing model that varies depending on contract limits, limiting e-commerce features, restricted design customization options, and a potential learning curve for new users. But before we move on, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Securing the 9th spot on our list is AppyPie, a no-code platform empowering users to develop web and mobile applications seamlessly, even without any coding experience. The platform goes a step further by offering an AI site builder capable of creating fast and lightweight websites through innovative AI algorithms. Notably, the created website remains flexible, allowing real-time modifications even after going live, granting users the freedom to make changes whenever needed. AppyPie stands out as a versatile platform, simplifying data management, integrating with various apps, and prioritizing low data consumption. Its feature set includes mobile-optimized websites, SSL security, graphic design tools, automatic backups, and free themes, with pricing starting at an affordable $16 per month. AppyPie is an efficient workflow and business process automation software, making it accessible to a wide range of users, highlighting advantages such as no-code requirement, affordability, mobile-optimized websites, real-time editing, and automatic backup. AppyPie presents a user-friendly and cost-effective solution. However, it is important to note potential limitations, including a drag-and-drop interface that may offer limited customization options compared to traditional coding methods. Additionally, while AppyPie integrates with various apps, its seamless compatibility with all apps and data sources may be limited in certain cases, and users might find the design options somewhat restricted. Rounding up our list at the 10th spot is Jimdo, an AI website builder that excels in enabling users to swiftly and effortlessly create personalized multi-page websites. Tailored for individuals with minimal to no coding experience, Jimdo provides to be an appealing option for small to medium-sized businesses aiming to establish a robust online presence. Jimdo's standout feature is its AI-powered design generator, which produces 2 templates based on user goals, project specifications, and color scheme preferences. The platform offers a free plan encompassing mobile optimization, contact forms, and up to 5 website pages. However, for users seeking premium e-commerce features, plan starts at $15 per month. With a generous 2GB bandwidth limit, Jimdo is well suited for small to medium-sized online stores. Noteworthy advantages include the availability of a free plan with basic features, quick customer support, and automated website design. Mobile optimization is a key feature, ensuring a seamless experience for users on various devices. However, it is important to consider potential drawbacks, such as the premium-only status of e-commerce features, basic customization limitations with AI tools, the absence of image and text generators, limited integrations with support for only a few social commerce platforms, and a lack of advanced SEO tools. For users requiring more in-depth customization, transitioning to the somewhat more challenging Jimdo creator may be necessary. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at 10 AI website builders, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you are a novice seeking simplicity or an experienced user aiming to establish an online store, there is an AI website builder tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. As you embark on your website creation journey, consider your priorities and weigh the pros and cons outlined in our reviews to make an informed decision. The world of AI-powered website building is a diverse and dynamic, ensuring that you can find the perfect fit to bring your digital vision to life. Have you tried this AI website builder? Or are there others you are eager to test out? Feel free to share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this content, and subscribe for more insights into the latest advancements in AI. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we cannot wait to engage with you in your upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned for more exciting updates.